What's up, everybody? We're in the sunny Spain, and this is March 2023. Today I'm going to show you the review of the house of 400 square meters, and it has everything you can only dream about. It has its own garden, it has heated pool, the top engineering here, and all is furnished, and it has even top roof with terrace. Let's go and check it inside. So this is one-storied building with 4 bedrooms, kitchen with living room. This is winery. Just check it out. It looks just great. You can open and there is a nice temperature inside. All the engineering and equipment is made with good brands. It's AEK. If you will check the ventilation, if you will check the heating, and in terms of solar systems, they are top of the engineering brands also. Let's check the pool area. There is a nice terrace covered simultaneously with open terrace. There is a pool, it is heated one. Also, I would like to underline this outside kitchen. You can make grilling here, you can cook something here, and there is wonderful lighting project also. Let's go and check bedrooms. This is master bedroom. It is connected with the pool area and it has no doors with its own shower. You have a bathroom here, a shower, you have a wardrobe, and it all looks just luxury, very luxury. Everywhere there is a heated floor and a wood on the floor. Closet area is also very good done. Let's go and check other bedrooms. This bedroom is also very wide. It has a big window and its own shower here. Let me show you. Another one bedroom. There are 2 doors here, one to the bedroom and this to the water closet. One bedroom is also with its own shower. All rooms have big areas and you feel very nice here. Another bedroom also with wardrobes hidden and with a shower. So this is a chimney with biogas. And now let's go to the terrace and check how it is done place for sun baths. Let's go. So, and this is a terrace. You can see all pre-installed water. You can see installed sun panels for electricity. There is a nice view towards the Calpe, Altea, Chiera, views to mountains, and you can take sun baths here. And there is also a water closet. So, this one of the best houses at COSTABLANCA is available now for 1,975,000 euros, and it has 4 bedrooms. It has heated your personal pool. It has chimney. It has heated floor, and it has personal garage, and everything most modern that you can ever dream about. Subscribe to our channel, read in the description everything that I was talking to you here, and we are waiting for you at COSTABLANCA. Welcome!